Hi, my name is Kamran Khan, and this is a feedback video from Unified Mentor and related to my experience from Unified Mentor. Uh, I had took 2 months of internship from Unified Mentor, and from which I have learned a lot of things about data analytics. My field from Unified Mentor was in the domain of data analytics, and the experience was extremely satisfied. And I have been given lots of projects options to select from, and from which I had selected coffee sales analysis and market sales dashboard and supermarket sales analysis, from which I did used Python and Excel and SQL to extract meaningful insights from the data set, and I had created dashboards using that. So far, the experience has been amazingly wonderful from Unified Mentor, and I'm very much thankful for them for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.